ReliVision provides a continuously evolving defect library, allowing users to add their own defects and generate additional data. To create a new defect, the user can start with importing defect images from the gallery. Click on the Import Data button, then select the GenAI tab. Select the Import Sample Defects for GenAI Embedding option. Select defect images from the directory, then click on Open. Once the images are imported, open them in the gallery. Annotate the defected area. Once all defects have been annotated, go to the GenAI page and click on the Add New Defect button. Select the GenAI defect dataset, then click Next. Give a defect name, add description, then synchronize the data. Please note that defect embedding may take hours. Once it is finished, the new defect type can be reviewed in the defect library. Own your AI with ReliVision.